Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my screencast presentation for TDDD27. You can look at my project. It's my project homepage. Basically, I have implemented a shopping cart application that uses extended shopping cart features for administrative uses as well. So if I go to my project proposal, so here you can see all my functionalities, the technology review as well. I've used Code Igniter along with jQuery and Ajax at the front end. So here you can see on the left side there are categories, parent categories, children categories. So this is a hierarchy. So this is the content area where you see the products. This is the shopping cart area. This is the pay checkout area. So the front end is jQuery and Ajax based. If I click here, the about, you can see that the URL is not loaded, the page is not loaded, URL is same. So same for contact, same. If you go to one page, so if we click on the parent category, all the products will be listed which are in the children categories. But if we click on a child category, only specific products will be listed, like in a single page, in a single category. Also on the home page, I have implemented pagination, that is jQuery and Ajax based. If you see here, like, yeah, so you can add the product to the shopping cart, add to cart, and it will be added, and you can see that the page hasn't loaded. It uses Ajax and jQuery to update the page and to call the controller. So you can also remove anyone by making it 0 quantity and updating your cart. You can also empty your cart so the page is not loaded. If we add something in our cart, yes, and we can also check out through PayPal. So here you can see the quantity was 1 and the item total price. So you can go and pay through PayPal. PayPal is the most reliable payment system in the world. Now coming to user interface, admin panels. Admin panel is the sign-in process is very user friendly. You can sign in using our custom sign-in procedure. Or you can sign in through Facebook, Twitter, Google, Yahoo, or OpenID with just a single click. Also, you can sign up using our traditional sign-up form that is very simple to make it user-friendly, or you can sign in with just a single click through these social websites. So if I want to sign in using single click, and I was signed into my Google account in this browser, Firefox, so it signed me in. Now if I try to sign in using my administrator account, administrator logins, so here this is the admin panel for my web application. Here you can see you can customize your profile, all the settings. For example, if change it to, yeah, you can see it's changed. Next you can change your username. If I change it to double N at the end and save it, you can see it is reflected here. Let me change it back. You can also see the linked accounts. I have one linked account, that is my Google account. You can also link other accounts: Facebook, Twitter, OpenID, Yahoo. You can also change your password. I have some tips to have a safe password that is difficult to crack. Now coming to the shopping cart admin features, I have various products. You can add new product. We can add a test product. Now the image is quite big, but my application will resize the image. Test product. You can see it here. Yes, here it is. Also, you can edit the test product, any product, by clicking it. We can change it to testing, and its price to €1,000. Pretty expensive. So if you go to the last page of the, yeah, it's €1,000 in testing. You can also delete the product if you don't like it. So there is no more testing, if you see. Now there's no more testing product. For the categories, here we have all the categories: parent categories, children categories, parent, children. It is basically a hierarchy of the categories. You can add new category. You can enter a category name. If you don't specify a category, parent category, it will be by default a parent category. Like you see, it is a parent category. But you can make it a child category by choosing a parent category. Say cell phone. Now it will come under the cell phone category, parent category. Yeah, here. You can also delete a category. Yeah. And users, you can see several users, like all the users are listed here. You can edit users, you can delete users, you can add new users. Now I have two types of users. One is the normal user, and the other is the admin user. So you can add any user, or if you want to change a user type, a current user, we can see it's admin. You can add any user here. You can delete any user. For example, me Rizwan, it's deleted. Or you can edit user information here. Yeah. Now coming back to, if I sign out, and go to the home page of my application. Let's have a go through the code, an overview. Now these are my controllers, these are my models, and here are my views. Now the card controller that loads this one, the home page. The index function of this controller will load the categories, and then we load the home view, and then within that view we call the products function, card products, that will load these products. Then we have several functions: add to cart, total price, update cart, show cart. And basically all this function uses the built-in shopping cart library for CodeIgniter Now this is another function to get products from a particular category. Now here comes the pagination, like how I have implemented the pagination. There's a library for pagination in Coordinator. I have used that library and customized it to some extent to use in my project. You can see the pagination here, and it's also in the admin panel. If we go to the more here, this is the view, this is the model for our shopping cart. Now this will get all the products from our shopping cart from database. The products database is here. You can see all the products in this table. Then some validation when updating cart. When we update cart, for example, we add several items, then we change something, update cart, we make it 10, then we call this function, and it does some validation. Then we do some validation for add to cart when we add a single item in the cart, and then the total price using built-in function, the core of coordinator. Now the products controller, we will check if the user is signed in. This is for the admin panel. Only the super administrator can use it. And again, I have used pagination here. And I will list the products. You see, from products view, I will load another view, that is product, that will load this admin panel area you have seen before with these one with edit and delete buttons. Sorry for the break. So here is the function to add a product. It will call the view that will load a form like this to add into the product, to add into the cart, and then to insert that product into the database, we call this function, and it will do the insertion in the database using the model function I have written, this one, add product. To resize the image, if it is greater in length, then this code I have written will resize that image to my particular requirements. This is the code to edit a particular product, its category, size, its category, price, image. To delete the product, this function is used. I haven't used this code, it was used before. Then the same is with the categories. This is to list the categories in the hierarchical view, and then load these categories into the view file. Then you can add category, insert category, edit category, update category, and delete category. Same. I'm running out of time. I have just 1 minute to my screencast, so I will go through the account. So here, if you see, I have controller for account link, account password, to change the password, to change the profile. All these are controllers for OpenID, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Yahoo, and the controller for sign in and sign out. You can see all these functions models are here, and the views are loaded here. Thank you for your time. Have a nice time. Bye.